All right, today we're gonna apply silver diamine fluoride to my little friend here. So we're gonna first wanna make sure that we have informed consent from the parent and make sure that they understand the potential staining of the decay on the teeth and possible accidental staining of their skin or clothing. And then once we have their permission or consent to proceed, we wanna protect them with glasses and a little plastic lined bib. We're gonna put some Vaseline on the lips. So this is going to help prevent any accidental staining on their skin. Good job. Okay, and then we're going to have you open nice and big. Can you open nice and... Whoa, thank you. So our friend here had SDF applied before, so you can see some of the little spots in there. Yeah. Do you remember when we painted your teeth before?
Ow.
We're going to do that again. Is my finger too chubby? Is that the ow? Okay. So the teeth need to be free of any debris or food or plaque. He's already had his cleaning, so we're good with that. You don't have to do any sort of tooth preparation. You don't have to remove any dentin or anything. You just free from plaque and debris. And then we want to carefully isolate and dry the teeth. So I'm going to put a little triangle. That's a triangle to help keep your tooth dry. And I'm going to use a little cotton roll by your tongue. Good job. That's going to help keep your tongue out of the way. Ta-da! So there's your teeth. And then we're going to blow a little air to dry the teeth off. Awesome. Okay. And then we're going to carefully apply the SDF with a fuzzy micro brush for 1 minute. And we're going to be careful to not get it on any soft tissue. There you go. So we're painting it on. We're going to start a little timer. Good job. Can I have some more, please? There you go. You're doing awesome, buddy. So if you can, try to apply it for at least a minute. And then you're going to blot the excess with, you could use a cotton roll or gauze. But if you can allow it to soak for up to 3 minutes, that's really ideal. And you're doing amazing.
What?
I said you're doing amazing.
Oh.
Yeah, you're helping all the other kids see how to do this. Okay, so it's been 3 minutes. So now I'm gonna dab up any excess. Okay. And I'm gonna carefully take out our triangle and our cotton roll. Can you open a little bigger, sweetie? Ta-da. And then you're done. Was that easy?
Mm-hmm.
Yay. Awesome. Thank you.